Hey, welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're tackling a question that's on pretty much every engineering student's mind. How do you go from acing your exams to actually landing a great job? We're going to look at a platform that's built to do exactly that. All right, so let's set the scene. If you're deep in your engineering studies, you know exactly what this feels like, right? You've spent years hitting the books, mastering all this theory. But that jump from the classroom to your first real engineering gig, it can feel like a total leap of faith. So here's the big question, the one we're really digging into. How do you actually bridge that gap? How do you take all that stuff you learned in lectures and labs and turn it into a real successful career? This is the challenge, you know? It's what separates being a student from being a professional. Think of it like this. You've got two completely different worlds. Over here, you have your classroom concepts. Everything's neat, predictable, it follows the textbook. But then, over here, you have the real world. And let me tell you, it's messy, it's dynamic, projects are complex, and they demand way more than just what's in the book. The secret sauce, the key to a great career, is finding a way to connect these two. So what is that bridge? Is there something that can help you cross that divide? Well, that's what we're talking about today. There's a platform built specifically for this. So let's dive in and introduce the Mechatronics Forum. So what is the Mechatronics Forum exactly? Well, at its heart, it's both a learning platform and a career development hub. And that dual focus is super important. It's not just about cramming more knowledge into your brain. No, it's about being strategic, developing the right skills, and making the right connections that will actually get you hired. Now, you might be wondering, is this for me? Well, if you're a student in mechatronics, robotics, automation, embedded systems, or the Internet of Things, then yes, absolutely. This platform is tailor-made for you. These fields are all interconnected, and honestly, they're at the very cutting edge of what modern engineering is all about. Okay, let's get practical. Let's talk about the tools. The platform is basically like your personal career toolkit. It's packed with everything you need to go from being qualified on your resume to actually getting that job offer. And it's not just a random collection of stuff, it's a clear three-step path. First up, you get skill roadmaps. These show you exactly what to learn to stay up to date with the latest tech trends. Step 2, once you've got the skills, you need to show them off, right? So you get resume and interview prep. And finally, step 3, you prove it with industry certifications. This lets you formally validate your skills. It's the whole journey, from learning the stuff to getting that stamp of approval. But wait, there's more. Because, let's be real, skills are crucial, but they aren't always enough. The other half of the game, it's all about your network. It's about connecting with the right people and the right projects that are actually in the industry. And this is where it gets really powerful. The idea here is to build your own professional ecosystem. You're not on this journey alone. You get connected with internships and real-world projects, so you get that hands-on experience. You also get linked up with mentors who can give you guidance, and alumni, people who have literally walked the exact same path you're on now. It's that combination, internships, projects, mentors, and alumni, that builds a network that's actually going to help you. Okay, so we've laid out the problem, and we've walked through a really powerful solution. Now what? Well, now it's about actually taking that first step. It's time to put these tools into action for yourself. The whole mission is summed up perfectly in this one line: build your future in engineering. I love that because it's not about passively waiting for a career to happen to you. It's about being the architect. It's about you actively constructing your future, one piece at a time. So for anyone on this path, the journey from the classroom to your career has a really clear place to start. You can check out all these resources for yourself at the Mechatronics Forum website. So I'll leave you with this question. Now that you know the tools are out there, what's the very first step you're going to take to build your future?